In this video, I will show you how to fix app crashing or missing some app notifications on your Android phone without losing a single file on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply open up your Android phone settings right here. So go ahead and click on settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down. You have to do this from system of your Android phone. Scroll down right here until you get to system. Go ahead and click on system. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to reset phone. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on reset app preferences. Reset app preferences. This will reset all preferences for app. Disable app notification will be reset. Default application for action will be reset. Data background restriction for app will be reset. Any permission restriction app will be reset. Battery usage settings will also reset, and you will not lose any data. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on reset apps. And with that, all apps that have been misbehaved, all notifications you have been missing from a particular app will be completely reset on your Android phone without losing any information or data. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Android device, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.